How to change name in Outlook Mail. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can change your name in Outlook Mail. So let's get into it. So when you come over here onto the Outlook, make sure you're using the old one. In the new one you don't have this option. For some reason they've taken it out. So make sure you're using the old version. In it you will find the option. So just simply go to settings, and in settings go into manage account, and then click on the account, and then over here change the account name and you are good to go. And that is it. After that, just simply click on save and you are good to go. After that, your account name will be changed. As you can see right here, it has now changed. So that is how you do it. That is how you change your name in Outlook Mail. So again, make sure that you're using the old version. If you go ahead and click on try the new version, then this option will be lost. You can't do it for some reason. I've tried multiple times and it just didn't work. So make sure you try this method in the old version. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.